On January 27, 2024, a 911 call led Lathrop Police Department officers on a dangerous chase. A woman reported her friend was being threatened by 40-year-old Juan Valdez. He was attempting to flee.
Hey, John.
The situation quickly escalated, turning a simple welfare check into a high-stakes pursuit through residential neighborhoods that would soon take a violent turn.
We have one taken off. 20 is going to be 8 William 589, cold color Nissan Versa.
The chase became even more chaotic and dangerous as Valdez drove against traffic on the freeway. His reckless driving and complete disregard for public safety were on full display.
Hey, where's your 40, dude?
The situation reached a breaking point when one of his tires came apart, but Valdez's desperate flight continued. He then attempted a violent carjacking on the freeway, clinging to the side of a moving car, putting himself and others at extreme risk. As Valdez clung to the car, an officer gave him the final command to stop before firing 2 shots. Valdez fell to the ground and was taken into custody.
Trying to carjack somebody.
The chase ended in a violent confrontation, but the officer's quick and decisive action prevented a potentially deadly carjacking from happening.
Shut! Get on the ground! Get on the ground! Shots fired, shots fired.
Valdez was treated at a hospital before being booked into jail. He was charged with multiple felonies, including carjacking, evasion, and resisting arrest. His desperate flight was documented by police body cameras, leaving a trail of evidence that will ensure he is held accountable for his actions. Will Valdez ever learn his lesson about a life of crime? On March 3rd, 2022, a chaotic and dangerous situation unfolded in San Diego, California. Police were called to a residence where a 47-year-old woman, Yan Lee, was reportedly armed with a knife. What started as a civil process request quickly escalated into a tense standoff. Despite initial attempts at de-escalation, Yan Lee retreated inside, turning a simple encounter into a high-stakes and unpredictable confrontation.
Shoot you! 15 Adam 5 code cover, on with a knife. Put the gun down right now! Put the gun down right now. Now, drop the knife.
I'm holding the knife.
Drop the knife, ma'am. You will get shot if you come at me with that knife. I will shoot you.
I'm not afraid.
Do you understand that?
I'm not coming.
Okay, I will shoot you. You understand? Put the knife down. Put the knife down. Put the knife down.
How did you get into my building?
I walked in. Put down the knife right now.
Where is the front desk?
Put down the knife right now. Ma'am, you will be shot. Do you understand that? Put down the gun or you will be shot. Drop the knife.
As the police dog entered the apartment, Yan Lee launched a sudden and violent attack. She plunged a large chef's knife into the chest of a police dog handler. This reckless and immediate threat forced the officers to react. In a moment of intense danger, they had no choice but to fire their weapons to protect themselves and their fellow officer from the ferocious assault. Yan Lee was struck by the gunfire and died at the scene. The officer who was stabbed was treated and released from the hospital. While investigators concluded the officers acted in self-defense, many questions linger. What drove Yan Li to such a desperate act? Was there a deeper underlying issue? This tragic event is a harsh reminder of the unpredictable risks police officers face every single day. On August 23, 2023, a disturbing incident unfolded at Summit Middle School in Edmond, Oklahoma. Nicole Sanders, 31, arrived demanding to take a student out of class. When the student appeared distressed, the school refused to release the child, and a tense confrontation began. Sanders then attacked the school secretary. The school resource officer arrived and was also attacked by Sanders. The officer was forced to use his taser to bring her under control. What started as a simple request turned into an unexpected and violent assault on two people, putting the entire school on high alert and in danger.
Stop! Put your hands behind your back.
I sleepwalked and I was shot.
While being detained, Sanders made several threats, including that she had placed explosives in the school. This added a new layer of complexity and danger to the situation, as the school had to be treated as a potential bomb threat. The Oklahoma County Sheriff's Office bomb squad was called to search the school. Luckily, no explosives were found. On July 25, 2022, a terrifying incident unfolded at Dallas Love Field Airport. Portia Odufua, 37, entered the terminal and went to the restroom. She emerged moments later, pulled out a handgun, and announced she was going to blow up the airport before firing multiple rounds at the ceiling. A normal day at the airport was instantly transformed into a chaotic and life-threatening nightmare.
Starts to ramble, talking about...
Stay down! That shooter, yes. Stay there. Sierra 301. Right there, falling. That went down.
Put your hands out, we can see.
After Odufua fell to the ground, Officer Cronin held his position while other officers arrived to take her into custody. Officers immediately began administering first aid, and she was transported to a local hospital for treatment. Thanks to the quick thinking and heroic actions of Officer Cronin, a potentially catastrophic situation was contained with no other injuries. Odufua was charged with aggravated assault against a public servant. Forensic evidence confirmed she had fired at Officer Cronin. The incident has left many questions unanswered. What was her motive? Was she a lone wolf, or was there more to this story? The investigation continues, but for now, the community is left to grapple with the tragic event.
Okay, we just okay.
So, who do you want to go?
Hold on. Hey. Stay there. What are you doing? Hey. Give me two. Give me two. Give me two. Give me two. Don't prove. Hold on. Hey. Come on.
Who's got gloves?
Look. Line fire. Watch line fire. Watch line fire.
On December 13th, 2022. A burglary report at Antioch Primitive Baptist Church in Baldwin County, Georgia, quickly turned into a violent confrontation. Deputies responded and entered the church to clear the building when they were suddenly attacked by 48-year-old Fiesta Latina Murphy. The simple investigation turned into a life-or-death struggle when Murphy armed herself with a hammer and attacked the officers.
Did you say last name Murph?
Fuck! She hit me in my head.
She hit you?
Yeah. Fuck!
Let me get back to the radio.
Fuck!
Call it in. What do you got in your hand, dear? Let me see your hands.
Nothing.
You alright?
I thought she was an intruder.
Where you hit at?
Everywhere.
After the shooting, the deputies immediately provided aid to Murphy until EMS
Really
arrived.
hard.
She was then transported to the hospital for treatment. The deputies, though shaken, were able to walk away. This act of compassion after a violent encounter is a testament to their professionalism and dedication.
Yeah, we're gonna have to roll you over, okay, so we can see where you hit at. Okay? Straighten your legs out. Straighten her legs out. Alright. Promise though, she's hitting the butt.
Alright.
Or with the lower back leg.
Might be able to get a tourniquet.
Alright, well. No. Where the fuck is it?
Murphy was charged with burglary and arson. While the investigation concluded that the deputies acted in self-defense, the incident left many questions unanswered. What motivated Murphy to attack the officers? Could this tragic outcome have been avoided? The incident serves as a stark reminder of the unpredictable dangers faced by law enforcement officers every day. On July 8, 2020, a chaotic and tense situation unfolded in Phoenix, Arizona. Police received a 911 call about a woman, 24-year-old Giovanna Kelsey McCreary, who was going crazy and had fired a gun outside.
Were you fired off a gun?
The scene was immediately on high alert, requiring a quick and careful response to prevent a potential tragedy.
Okay.
I didn't do shit. You got your fucking people back. Look, I have everything on my fucking phone.
Let me see your phone. Let me see.
Everything's
Show
on my
me.
phone.
Show me who shot a gun. Show me.
I didn't have the video, but I have all
Well,
this
you
fucking
said you.
proof on. like,
Show me your
written
proof that somebody shot the
It's
gun.
written fucking proof. This
You
has
have
been
ID
threatened.
first of all.
I have a temper. And then he calls me, and he's like, you start showing me around all these fucking people. This is her. This is
Who
her.
shot
This
the
is
gun?
her. That bitch in there, the fucking Mexican, with the fucking bag.
Upon arrival,
Where did she
officers
shoot the gun at?
located McCreary and engaged her.
Fucking piece of shit.
For nearly 7 minutes, they talked to her,
See, it's all
and
fucking
she
shot
denied
at.
having or firing
Sir,
a gun.
Go wait over there.
With her permission, they searched her bag, where they found ammunition and illegal drugs.
I'm gonna ask you to
At
go
the same
wait.
time, they discovered she had an outstanding
Okay,
misdemeanor
we'll deal with
warrant,
that, but I just gotta ask
which
you to wait over there.
complicated what seemed like a
I've asked you
routine
3
call.
times. You had no gun?
I do not.
You got bullets? What are the bullets for? That's big. 357 mag. She's got a scale. She's got some weed. I was looking for a gun.
As an officer attempted to handcuff her, McCreary fought back and pulled a handgun from her waistband. During the struggle, she fired the weapon, narrowly missing the officers. This act transformed a simple arrest into a deadly confrontation. With no other option, 2 officers drew their weapons and fired at McCreary. The incident unfolded in a flash, full of suspense and immediate danger. McCreary was struck twice, dropped her gun, and fell to the ground. Officers immediately provided first aid, and she was taken to a hospital in critical condition, but survived. Though no officers or bystanders were injured, the event was a stark reminder of the unpredictable dangers faced by law enforcement. Could this confrontation have ended peacefully? Or did her actions make a violent outcome inevitable? On February 19, 2023, an alarming situation unfolded in Louisville, Kentucky. Police responded to a mental health call involving 52-year-old Candy Basil. Witnesses reported that she was hitting her car and pointing a gun at nearby homes. When officers arrived, they found Basil in the middle of the street, wildly waving a firearm. The scene was immediately a high-risk environment, demanding immediate and careful intervention.
I'm telling you! Drop the gun! Put it down! Put it down! Drop the gun! Drop the gun! Put it down! Drop the gun! I got the gun! Watch the gun! Watch the gun! Start EMS. Oh my God! Do you have no other weapons? No. Oh my God! Check her. We're 1086. Oh my God! Check her. Okay, we gotta get pressure on it. Just the
In that moment of imminent danger, a veteran officer fired 2 rounds, striking Basil. This action immediately neutralized the threat, and Basil fell to the ground. Officers on the scene quickly rendered first aid and secured her weapon. The event unfolded in a flash, full of suspense and immediate danger.
Put it on the ground! Don't drop the gun! Drop it, Cindy! Drop it! Drop it! Drop it! I'm telling you! Cindy, drop the gun! Drop the gun! Drop it! Put it down! Drop it! I got the gun! Watch the gun! Watch the car! Watch the car! Watch the car!
Basil survived her injuries and was transported to the hospital in a conscious and alert state. She was later charged with multiple counts of wanton endangerment. Body and dashcam footage provided irrefutable evidence of her actions and the officers' attempts to de-escalate the situation. The incident highlights the difficult and dangerous realities officers face when responding to mental health crises.
Let me get some gloves on. We'll see if we can get some pressure. Okay, yep.